Hi
Hi
everyone,
everyone,
in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. The process is
basically
quite
what you'll
simple.
have to do
First,
is
you'll need to log
log
into your
into your
Afterpay account
Afterpay
using the
account
Afterpay app. Once you're logged in, search for Amazon gift
app for
cards
this
within the app.
method,
As
and
you
then
can
you have
see,
to search
the app
for
allows you to shop
Amazon
for
gift
gift cards
cards.
easily.
As you can see
After
here, the
purchasing
app
the
to shop
Amazon gift
cards,
cards,
and then
head
what you'll
over
have
to
to
the
do
Amazon
is
website. You can use these gift cards to buy anything you need on Amazon.
gift
And that's
cards
it. It's
to
a
buy
straightforward way
everything
to
you
use
need.
Afterpay
So
for your Amazon
basically that's
purchases.
all.
I hope you
So I
found this
hope you found
video
this video
helpful.
helpful. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.